Best hand mixers. Are you looking for the best hand mixers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best hand mixers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Handy Mix Scraper. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper Mixer, BHM 800 BTR, in black truffle is a versatile and powerful hand mixer designed to make baking and cooking easier and more efficient. With a sleek and modern design, the mixer is both functional and stylish, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Equipped with a 9-speed electronic control, the Breville Handy Mix Scraper offers precise control over mixing tasks, from slow stirring to high-speed beating. Its powerful motor delivers excellent performance for various tasks, including mixing, whipping, and kneading. Whether you're preparing dough, cake batter, or meringue, this mixer handles a wide range of ingredients with ease. One of the standout features of the Breville Handy Mix Scraper is its scraper beaters, which are designed to scrape the sides of the bowl while mixing. This helps incorporate ingredients more effectively, reducing the need to stop and scrape down the sides manually. This feature not only saves time but also ensures thorough mixing for more consistent results. The mixer comes with a range of attachments, including traditional beaters, dough hooks, and a storage case for easy organization. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, and the handle provides a secure grip, minimizing hand fatigue. Additionally, the mixer operates quietly, making it suitable for use in various kitchen settings without causing noise disturbances. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper Mixer is a great choice for those who enjoy baking or cooking regularly, offering a combination of power, efficiency, and ease of use. Its durable construction, user-friendly controls, and convenient features make it a reliable tool for a wide variety of culinary tasks. Number 2. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart HM90 BCS Power Advantage Plus 9-speed handheld mixer is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool designed to make baking and cooking tasks easier and more efficient. Featuring a sleek brushed chrome finish, this mixer offers a modern and stylish look that complements any kitchen decor. With 9 adjustable speed settings, the Cuisinart mixer provides precise control over your mixing tasks, from slow stirring to high-speed whipping and beating. The powerful motor ensures consistent and thorough results, whether you're mixing cake batter, kneading dough, or whipping cream. Its easy-to-use speed control allows you to select the ideal setting for various recipes. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart HM90 BCS is its versatility, with a range of attachments included for different tasks. The mixer comes with traditional beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, allowing you to tackle a variety of ingredients and recipes. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use, while the easy-to-grip design reduces hand fatigue for extended mixing sessions. The included storage case adds convenience by keeping all the attachments organized and easily accessible, eliminating clutter in your kitchen. Additionally, the mixer features a swivel cord that allows for greater maneuverability, ensuring you can mix comfortably from any angle. The Cuisinart HM90 BCS Power Advantage Plus is perfect for both novice and experienced bakers, offering a blend of power, flexibility, and ease of use. Its durable construction, multiple speed options, and practical accessories make it an excellent addition to any kitchen, providing reliable performance for all your mixing needs. Number 3. Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Hand Blender and Mixer, RHM100, is a versatile, powerful, and convenient kitchen tool that offers the flexibility of a hand blender and mixer in one cordless design. With 5 adjustable speeds, this hand mixer is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from blending smoothies to whipping cream and mixing batters. The EvolutionX model is designed for both efficiency and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for home cooks and bakers alike. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this cordless hand mixer eliminates the need for a power cord, providing increased maneuverability and freedom while mixing. The battery offers a long runtime, ensuring you can complete multiple mixing tasks without interruption. A quick charge feature allows for minimal downtime, making it convenient for busy kitchens. The mixer's ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, reducing hand strain during use, even for extended periods. Its lightweight construction ensures ease of handling, while the intuitive control buttons allow you to adjust speeds effortlessly. The sleek gray and black design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the compact form factor ensures easy storage when not in use. Included with the Cuisinart EvolutionX cordless hand blender and mixer are various attachments that enhance its versatility. These include traditional beaters and a whisk, which are ideal for mixing, whipping, and kneading. The cordless design, along with the powerful motor and multiple speed options, allows for quick and consistent results, whether you're preparing dough, meringue, or whipped cream. Overall, the Cuisinart EvolutionX RHM100 is an excellent tool for those who want the flexibility of a cordless, multi-speed hand mixer with a sleek design and powerful performance. Number 4. Smeg 50s Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer. The Smeg Cream 50s Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer combines vintage-inspired design with modern functionality, making it a stylish and efficient addition to any kitchen. This hand mixer features a sleek cream-colored finish that captures the nostalgic look of the 1950s, while providing powerful performance for various mixing tasks. Equipped with 5 adjustable speed settings, the Smeg hand mixer allows precise control for a variety of tasks, such as beating, whipping, and kneading. Its robust motor ensures consistent results, whether you're preparing cake batter, meringue, or dough. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, making it easy to hold and use for extended periods without hand strain. The mixer comes with a comprehensive set of attachments, including traditional beaters, dough hooks, and whisks, offering versatility for different recipes. The dough hooks are ideal for mixing heavy dough, while the beaters are perfect for light batters and the whisk is great for whipping cream or egg whites. All attachments are made from durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. The Smeg hand mixer's lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver, and its compact size ensures that it takes up minimal storage space. It also features a retractable cord for convenience, helping to keep your kitchen organized. The retro design adds a fun, charming touch to your kitchen countertop while delivering reliable performance. Perfect for anyone who loves baking or cooking, the Smeg Cream 50's retro-style electric hand mixer offers a blend of style, ease of use, and powerful functionality, making it an excellent tool for tackling all your mixing tasks with flair. Number 5. Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer. The Braun MultiMix Hand Mixer, HM5130, is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to handle a wide range of mixing tasks with ease. Combining performance and efficiency, this hand mixer is perfect for everything from beating cake batter to kneading dough and whipping cream. Equipped with a 500-watt motor, the Braun MultiMix offers impressive power for smooth, consistent mixing. The 9 speed settings provide excellent control, allowing you to adjust the mixing speed to suit the task at hand. Whether you're working with thick dough or delicate meringue, you can find the ideal speed for perfect results every time. Additionally, the Turbo Boost function gives you an extra burst of power when you need it. One of the standout features of the Braun MultiMix HM5130 is its unique PowerBell technology, which ensures efficient and even mixing. The technology helps reduce splattering and promotes uniform results, making it easier to handle even dense ingredients. This mixer also comes with a set of high-quality stainless steel attachments, including beaters and dough hooks, designed for durability and versatility. The ergonomic design of the Braun MultiMix provides comfort and control during use. The handle is easy to grip, and the lightweight construction ensures that it's comfortable to hold, even for extended periods. The soft touch button and intuitive controls make it easy to adjust settings, while the compact size allows for convenient storage when not in use. With its combination of power, flexibility, and user-friendly features, The Braun MultiMix HM5130 is an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys baking or cooking. It is a reliable tool for achieving smooth and consistent results across a wide variety of recipes.